So we are doing, so I will be doing, fuck off. What is going on, everyone? It is Tim from Eikon Motorsports, and it has been what seems like years since I have been out on installs, and we're going to do some things a little bit differently now. We're going to kind of showcase our videos from the order to the installation. So we are here in our shop right now in Surprise, Arizona, and we are getting Mr. Gurley your kit ready for install coming this Friday or Saturday. I don't know what time my flight lands. I think it lands in the afternoon on Friday. Today is Wednesday, so we only have a couple days to get it done. I just prepped, or primed, I guess you could say, your caps. Mr. Gurley has a white edition, so we're gonna lay down the white paint so we can get this etched tomorrow and finish this kit and assembly and the installation. So let's get this sprayed. Safety first, so we gotta have the mask. So this is Arctic White, which is the paint code for the white edition. And let's go. Okay, so I've laid the second coat down, as you can see on the caps here. And now we're gonna set this to the side, somewhere safe and sound. And we're gonna do a shocks, because the shocks are also what gets to the kit edition color. So make some Arctic White shocks to match the caps that are on the kit. So let's go ahead and get that done as well. Okay, last and final coat of white on the shocks. Here we come. Really? All right, so that is done. So I'm gonna take these guys and we're gonna put them in their new holding pattern, I guess you could call it, which is out here. No, so they just go out here on this shelf here when they're done being painted and are gonna cure overnight, basically. Alexa, Volume 4. Sorry, I was loud. So tomorrow when we come in, we'll be able to etch them and get them ready for installation the following day. So with the caps done, the design is also done. I'll show you that. The paint for the shocks are done. Haven't done the design on the shock yet on the software here, but that is the design for the caps that will be etched tomorrow once that paint is fully cured. So yeah.
Looks off you.
Fly chasing.
On the next episode of Fly Catchers.
There's this one goddamn fly.
Season 1.
One fly that won't leave us alone. So we are here day 2 and it is time for etching on Mr. Gurley's kit. And that's what we are about to get doing and going right now. So laser's turned on, water's cool. We're gonna grab these. Hi, hooker.
How y'all doing today?
So we're gonna take these and get these in the laser.
Ooh, he broke it.
Yeah, I broke it in my toy. Close it. Let's just hope. Yeah. Perfect. So I had to change the tube for the laser out yesterday, which was kind of shocking, but also kind of expected because it's been lasted a long time. So the power settings are generally different with a brand new tube, and it looks like these settings are a little low. So I can either do one of two things. I can either, once it's done, run it again, and then it'll eat through the paint, or I could stop it right now and go change the settings on the file and go from there. It's just the insides are white. I forgot the insides are white. I thought I had white ones with black, but I don't have those, so I gotta order those. I need to order those. And I got the Camaro back finally today. It's
God.
a little naked, as you can see. We're missing the graphics that were on it, which was nothing special, just the Eikon logo on this side, because it was parked in a parking lot and somebody backed into me and crushed this whole front. So they fixed it. Gonna put the graphics on that too. Might not do that today because we're gonna finish this kit up and then we're gonna go swim.
Slacker. I can't swim.
Why's that?
Cause I'm black.
So we're just gonna let that etch on the caps and then we'll load the file for the top caps. Then we'll load the file for the shocks and get those etched. And then it's ready for install tomorrow. So stay tuned. Well, hello, it is me, and it is the install day. As you can see here, I'm with this beautiful white C8. It's got doors on it. So you're probably wondering, Tim, why are you here? It's got doors on it already. Well, let me tell you why. Because this is a vertical door brand ink kit. And as you can see behind me, if I center my head perfectly fine, if I can walk my, oh, no, my head's too big. But the customer wants to put the V1 series on instead of the vertical door kit. So, okay, so we got our kit on the driver's side right now. You can already tell ours is more straighter, closer to the car. That's still the vertical door kit that's on there. You can go to the front and give it a little look-see from the front. Again, vertical door kit, the V1 series by Eikon Motorsports. Okay, so it's done. So I'm gonna go get Mr. Gurley right now. Okay, it's coming. Alright, you tell me if it hits or not. Close.
But it doesn't touch. And now, I'm going to ask you, I don't know. If it happens again, do the same thing?
It shouldn't happen again.
Good. Well, that's a good wide. I like that. It's a lot wider than that.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Better, more centered, more
Yes.
even out.
Yep. Good. Oh, yeah. Easier to get in? There's probably another almost a foot
Oh, space
of space to get in here. I think this is about where
a little lower actually.
actually about, I'm looking at this.
Yeah.
This was about where it was.
Yeah, somewhere right, yep, right there.
And that's about where
The height was before.
that's a big difference.
That's a huge difference.
It just opens that up all the way through. After that, probably be run and jump all the way through that.
Everything I've done to this car has all been cosmetic. That's what I've really enjoyed about this thing. And the doors have caused so much attention. And probably people say the same thing to you. You go to a gas station,
Yeah.
fill up, takes you twice as long.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
It takes
Especially
you
when,
twice as long.
yeah, especially when you lift the doors.
Takes you twice as long. And I've had Many people say, I didn't know they offer that. I said they don't. It's Eikon Motorsports. And this is what I show them. For the last, how long have we had on the first ones? 3 years?
Yeah.
I believe it's 4 years. I said, if you want to know,
Oh my God.
this,
Did you make those?
I made those off of the website. And then I put my name on it, so if they need to call or ask anything. But no, I copyrighted it from yours.
Those are nice.
I really almost hate getting rid of it, but if I can get on
The list for the E-Ray.
the list for E-Ray, I will.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I got it. No, I'm gonna get it.
You get it.
Yes, ma'am.
The doors are so much easier.
Are they?
They go, yeah, especially going up, because they almost just jump up, and they didn't before. There's another foot that you get into this car with. You don't have. It was that you had to kind of bend a little.
Kind of
bit,
move it and go out of the way.
but you don't have to do that now. It's a great fit for the car. The shuts so good.
Calling me. And it looks OEM almost now.
It does look OEM. They're sexy looking. They look like they belong on the car.
One of the things that always bothered me with the vertical doors is they have the stickers on their shocks, you know, but they don't know like the placement of it. They just put them on there. And I've never really seen one that actually displays like their logo or their image, which I mean, at the end of the day, I guess that's not what it's about.
Right.
But you would think that you'd want to make sure. So with ours, we have to install the shocks on the kit, tighten everything down, and then mark on the strut where like on the rod where we now have to take it back off, load in the laser, and engrave that in there, because we don't put any stickers on it. That's all engraved.
Right.
So we want it to, you know, display so people can come down and, you know, what is that, you know, type thing. And
Yeah.
so it's just, well, you'll see, like when this whole video goes out, you'll kind of see what's all involved in getting from when you place your order to, you know, now you'll kind of see that. That's kind of like the new direction of what we're doing, is displaying all that kind of information, showing all that stuff off now.
I really appreciate it.
No, my pleasure.
It's a marvel car. I don't know what else to say about it. It's just a wonderful car to drive. I have a C7. It's fun to drive.
Saw that.
But on long trips, it'll beat you a little bit.
Yeah.
And it's a gas hog, but it is a marvel to drive. And it's a 2019 ZR1. This being a 2020, I now have the most powerful rear engine car and the most powerful front engine car and the first year model of the mid engine.
Escaping dog.
Yeah.
Hi.
So what's the part that I can sell and get money back?
These over here, she's gonna put them on her eBay account.
All right, nice.
Now, I have an eBay account. I don't really know anything about them, but
All right, guys, so that is gonna do it for me here in Granbury, Texas. It has been an honor and a journey, to say the least, from start to where we are today. So I am more than blessed and honored to be giving you your V1, and you are the first one to get the updated version of the V1. And my God, is it an amazing kit, minor tweaks to the design. I'm so glad and so happy that I did that, because this is truly an amazing kit. It's truly something special. So we're gonna put this thing back in the garage. It's nice to have a little air conditioning too. Not gonna lie about that. So you don't have to do a damn burnout here in your front yard. But yes, it has been so fun to come out here and to get this done for you. I cannot wait though to get back home, because Utah, here I come. And we are in Lake Flynn. Let's reset your windows. Hold for 5 seconds and go down. Hold for 5 seconds. We should be able to flick and it should go by itself. Let's check that. Yep. Passenger. Yep. Alright. Shut her down. Let's get out of here. Oh, this thing's slamming me forward. In the exit mode of the vehicle. Let me get out before it crushes me. It is a bit of a reach now to pull that thing down. When you do, just let it go. Alright guys, please like and subscribe. What? No. Please like and subscribe and share. If you want doors, check out our website, give us a call. Until next time, peace out. Mr. Gurley, I can't thank you enough for taking your own initiative and printing out little flyers, little card type style things to give to people who are asking you questions about your doors. So because of that, I want to give you a bunch of these, which are black and gold. They're metal cards, and they say basically you're a VIP, and you can give these out to customers who, between you and Eikon Motorsports, they'll have significant meaning to those customers that you give out. That's not a conversation we'll have that's going to be public, but you'll know what they mean, and your customers or people that you give them to will also know what they mean. So I can't thank you enough for letting me do your install. I'm glad and I'm happy that you love what we did, and I cannot wait to get out there and get more of these things installed in people's cars. I'm so thankful for people like you and everyone else that's been waiting and is waiting to get their V1 kit. You're going to be glad that you've waited. The changes and modifications that I've made for the last 4, 5, 6 months have been more than spectacular, and I can't even begin to describe how this kit functions now and how it feels. So thank you so much for your dedication and your loyalty to Eikon Motorsports.